U.S. Constitution, Article 2, 1, Clause 1. The 20th Amendment reinforces the discrete nature of a presidential term, explicitly providing that, quote, the terms of the president and vice president shall end at noon on the 20th day of January, and the terms of their successors shall then begin, end quote. U.S. Constitution Amendment XX 1. Upon, quote, the expiration of the time for which he is elected, end quote, a former president, quote, returns to the mass of the people again, end quote, and the power of the executive branch vests in the newly elected president. Burr 25, F case at 34, U.S. Constitution, Article 2, 1, Clause 1. Quote, the executive power shall be vested in a President of the United States of America, end quote. Emphasis added. The President, of course, also has a duty under the Take Care Clause to faithfully enforce the laws. This duty encompasses following the legal procedures for determining election results and ensuring that executive power vests in the new President at the constitutionally appointed time. To the extent former President Trump maintains that the post-2020 election litigation that his campaign and supporters unsuccessfully pursued implemented his take care duty, he is in error. See Infra N14. Former President Trump's alleged conduct conflicts with his constitutional mandate to enforce the laws governing the process of electing the new president. The public has a strong interest in the foundational principle of our government that the will of the people, as expressed in the Electoral College vote, determines who will serve as president. See U.S. Constitution Amendment XII, quote, the electors shall meet in their respective states and vote by ballot for the president and vice president, The person having the greatest number of votes for president shall be the president, end quote. Chiafalo v. Washington, 140 S. CT 2316 2328 2020. Quote, early in our history, states decided to tie electors to the presidential choice of citizens, end quote. The Supreme Court recently noted that, quote, the framers made the president the most